From the maker of the best-selling kids learning tablet, Leapfrog is taking it to the next level of amazing. LeapPad Ultra is here. It's everything moms want and kids love about LeapPad, now with so much more. Built from the inside out just for kids, LeapPad Ultra packs in more exciting features than ever. LeapPad Ultra's kid-safe web browser and parent-controlled Wi-Fi connectivity only allow kids to safely browse Leapfrog Educator-approved videos and images. And while LeapPad Ultra is ultra sleek, it's built just for kids to be ultra tough. With the biggest, brightest screen that delivers our highest resolution ever, video, graphics, and gameplay are even more stunning. Best of all, there are over 800 games, ebooks, videos, apps, and more, all designed or approved by Leapfrog's learning experts. Plus, select titles that automatically adjust to a child's individual learning level. And you can see the learning and share your child's achievements on their personal learning path. It's everything parents want and everything kids will love. The 100% kid-perfect Leapfrog Educator-approved tablet, LeapPad Ultra.